You're watching Vegan Cooking with Hillary. What are you cooking?
Well, it's with Bernadette and Champ as well. Don't forget them.
And Champ, hi Champ, where are you?
No,
Shooting time.
He's hiding. Today we are going to make vegan chili and some green beans with walnuts. So I know most of you have had, yay is right. Most of you have had chili over rice or chili just plain, but you haven't lived until you've had vegan chili on pasta. It is sublime. So
Whole
today,
wheat pasta.
and it's whole wheat pasta, you're right.
Yes.
So today we have our ingredients, all our ingredients out here. We have our walnuts, organic green beans, organic red onion, organic tomato, organic garlic. We have
Organic garlic, there's such thing.
We have some vegan fake ground beef, organic, made with textured soy protein, wheat
Vegan
gluten.
ground beef, yum.
Yeah, it's very tasty.
Who would ever thought there's a vegan ground beef nowadays?
Well, you would have. Again, we have our whole wheat pasta, we have our organic tomato sauce, and we have our beans. Okay,
Organic beans.
It's organic beans. Now you can use whatever beans you wish. I chose to do something a little more interesting. I did a 3-bean medley. They're black beans, turtle beans, kidney beans.
There's turtle on a bean?
Yeah, there's turtles in there. They're crawling around. No, it wouldn't be vegan if there's real turtles. It's turtle beans.
Wait, okay, black beans, turtle beans, and?
Pinto beans. Yesterday, I put the combination of the 3 beans, 16 ounces of a combination pinto, black, and kidney beans into the cooker. I added water,
Pinto, black, and kidney.
cumin, coriander, and of course chili powder and a little red pepper powder for some heat. And I cooked them for 6 hours, so they have turned out absolutely beautifully.
Wow.
As you can see.
That's the best chili ever. It's gonna make you chill.
First of all, for our walnuts and green beans, we've got our green beans and we need to steam them until they are semi-tender. So over on the stove, I have the stove going. I've got a steamer with water. So we are just going to take our green beans. We will just dump them into this pot.
Okay.
We will turn the heat up and we will cover it and steam until tender, okay? So as you can see, we have our pasta water that's heating, ready to go. Gets a little crowded on here. We're gonna put the wok here. And we are gonna add our favorite, just a little bit of olive oil.
Okay.
And we will start that heating up a little bit.
Wok on fire.
Wok on fire. We're going to get our onion and tomato ready to saute for the chili. Okay, so we're going to take our purple onion.
Okay.
And we are going to slice 2 large slices. Okay.
Purple onion's back.
Purple onion's what?
Purple onion is back.
It's back, yes.
Yeah.
This is left over from our other cooking video. All right, so we will
It's just hard to find purple onion sometimes. It's a big demand.
So we will just dice these up nicely. I
Don't
know,
slice your hands.
and Bernadette did point out to me from the last video that I say nice and nicely way too much. And we will just put them in the wok. We have a nice sizzle here.
Put it in the wok on fire.
Wok on fire. Okay.
Saute it for how long?
Until it's tender. It's still caramelized and tendered. Okay, so we have our organic tomato, and we are just going to dice that up.
That's a big, giant organic tomato. Careful of your hands.
Well, as I said in the last one, if I cut my hand, it won't be vegan, so I can't do that.
Well, you don't want a finger on a chili.
Isn't that cool?
I put the trash can next to you.
I know, Bernadette trying to set it up like I'm a real TV chef. with the
You're a great chef, love.
with the
You need everything so
trash
well
right by me.
organized.
And in it goes.
Mmm. Yum, tomato and red onion.
Okay, so
How long are you gonna saute it?
this is going to cook until it's tender and the tomato is broken down.
Okay.
I like to add the majority of my spices right when the vegetables go in.
Okay.
All right, I'm just going to add just a sprinkle of basil. And
That's the dried basil.
dried basil. And we are just going to
It's
have
gonna make it sweet.
a sprinkle of coriander. Now we
What
come,
does coriander do?
makes it taste funny. All right, so now we have our
Fine.
heat, red pepper. All right,
You mean that's the cayenne?
that's the red cayenne.
Yep. They're
And
mild,
we have our chili powder,
and that's even less mild.
more mild, you mean.
Yep.
And we have just a touch of ginger.
Oops.
Okay, now we're going to let that caramelize
Okay.
the onions and just let it sort of simmer in its own juices for probably about 10 minutes.
Okay.
All right, in the meantime,
That's what it is. 10 minutes. Wondering how long? It's 10 minutes.
okay, so in the meantime, add our pasta.
Hoo-hoo.
So this is
Yummy, yummy pasta.
this is whole wheat pasta, and whole wheat pasta always takes longer than regular white pasta.
Why is that?
Well, because it's got all the bran and fiber that is all processed out of white pasta, but then it's got all the nutrition and fiber that does the body good. As you can see, the tomato is nicely broken down. The onions are very tender.
Yummy.
So now we are going to add our vegan green ground beef.
Vegan ground beef, yes. You almost said vegan green beans.
Green beef, which would be rotten beef,
Vegan
I
green-
guess.
Vegan ground beef.
Okay.
Yes, there is a vegan ground beef, and it's available at supermarkets now. Any supermarkets at the it's better buy it organic as well.
Yeah, it's really nice because supermarkets are starting to carry vegan products. You know, before it was like pulling your teeth to even find tofu, but now, you know, it's really nice. I guess we're trending, right?
Right.
We're going to get ready to make our green beans, walnut garlic green beans. Okay, so again, we do this, smash the garlic. I'm going to use 2 cloves, dice it up as finely as possible. Garlic's ready for the green beans. The chili is ready for the beans and the tomato sauce. We have our tomato, onion, ground beef mixture in here,
Okay.
already nicely browned and cooked. And we are just going to add our beans and kind of stir them in.
Okay. And you know, the black beans and beans in general have actually much more protein than meat, if you do research about it.
Yeah, if you are as some of my vegan friends are vegan athletes like Javier, this is a protein bomb. So now we're
Great.
going to add our tomato sauce, and we are going to mix it all in.
Wow, looks like a great chili.
We're going to add a little more chili powder,
Okay.
and because Bernadette likes her heat, well, we're going to add a little more cumin,
Well, I don't really like too spicy, love. Just a little bit.
and just a little bit more red pepper.
Okay.
There we go. Just have this good heat.
Hi, Jam. I could hear your voice.
Oh, and there's Champ wanting some chili. All right,
No,
now
no
we're just
chili for you, Champ.
going to let this cook at a medium heat until everything's ready.
Okay.
Green beans are perfect.
It's al dente.
Yes, we're having al dente green beans. Good thinking.
Yay.
Now we are going to
Oop.
make our green beans and walnuts. Again, we start with a little bit of olive oil.
Wow.
And
Olive oil is so nice.
we're going to add our garlic.
And roast it.
Get a little bit of roast on it. We want to add our walnuts right away, so we get a nice sort of garlic roasted flavor
Okay.
going with the walnuts.
The walnuts that shape like a brain.
Yes, zombie brains.
Zombie brains. Hi, champ. I can see you.
Okay, we're going to get a nice.
It's good for vegan like us.
Yeah, because we need all the brain power we can get. All right, so now
Vegan zombies.
here's our surprise ingredients. Okay, we are going to caramelize it with balsamic vinegar.
Why?
Why not? All right, and again, we are going to
It's
add.
gonna make it sweeter.
Yes, whatever you want. We're going to add a little oregano.
Oregano. Wow. I never thought you can mix oregano with walnut.
Well, I don't know, it may be illegal in some states to do that, but I don't think it is. I think it's fine here in Virginia.
Oh yeah, it's legal in Virginia,
Okay, basil,
but it's gonna be illegal in some countries.
basil, oregano, and ginger. All right,
All right.
and we're gonna, now you can smell that nice caramelization getting done with the basil and the garlic. It's really wonderful.
Oh yes, I can smell it from here.
Well, of course you can, you're right next to it. Miss Color Commentary.
I can smell everything. It smells really nice actually, love.
Now, got this going, we are going to add our green beans.
Ooh, that's nice.
Give it a stir. All right, so
I can help you, it's so easy.
lemon juice and soy sauce.
Organic soy sauce.
Organic. All right, so we have a nice sizzle going.
That's a great recipe. I never thought you can mix walnut with green beans. Walnut with the brains.
Pasta is just about done,
Yay!
so we are going to drain it.
Mushy pasta.
Here's our red leaf lettuce. We are going to add our green beans
Okay.
and walnuts.
Al dente green beans. Walnut brains. That's a very good idea. You should try it at home, my friends. And green beans with walnuts.
So there's our veggie plate.
Okay.
Now our chili is
Wow,
just
that pasta looks great.
sublime. We'll ladle on some of this delicious chili.
Wow. Look at that.
Here you have it, vegan chili with whole wheat pasta and walnut green beans. Enjoy. Let's eat cruelty-free.
Yummy, yummy. Thank you so much, sweetheart. It looks super delicious.